Hi everyone, this is Sandy, Creating the Heart, and I'm back with a really quick and easy gift idea for Valentine's Day. Let's see, I wanted to share with you guys, pulling this out so I can show you, these celebrated sacks that everybody has bought in the past from Michaels. So what I did, makes it really quick and easy because you're not making your own bag. I have tons of those bags on hand. I actually happen to have pink ones, so I used that for this project. So what I did was I just took that sack and then I covered it with 6x6 paper. So it's 6x6, so it's 6 by 4.5, I believe is the size for this particular bag. Cut it down and then glued it on the front and on the back of my bag. And then I just took my scissors and cut the excess bag from the top because I wanted to use my 6x6 paper pad. You could fold it over. I mean, there's other things you can do, but I decided to just cut it on the top. And then I just decorated with the front. So I had already kind of used this stamp set from Long Fawn, and then this is a mason jar that I had in my stash. So I had already had those ready to go as an embellishment. So I had them colored in, they're ready to go. So I put those on top. And then I used a sticker sheet that I had gotten from Hobby Lobby when they had their sale, clearance sale, the last one, not this current one, but the time before. So this was the one that I had used, and this one was like a 99-cent one that I got from Hobby Lobby. So I just used those stickers to help kind of embellish my bags. And then I had some of these clips already. And so I went ahead and I just embellished them with the Heidi Swap bows. And the problem with these bows is that they come undone. So I don't know what's up with that, but I've tried to find ways to keep them closed, but they're kind of falling apart. So if you have them, you might want to get your hot glue gun out and repair them. I'm going to probably try and do that before I give them to my kids. And so that really simple, easy, using stuff in my stash. So let me give you guys a clue as to what's in here. So if you guys are looking like what kind of stuff, I can just give my kids candy. So this one's Lily's. So it has the strawberries and cream, little truffles in here. It's not very many in there, 2 or 3 truffles. Tyler got the red one, which is milk chocolate. And then I have a little bag of peanut M&Ms. I have this Twix heart. And then at the bottom, I have a bunch of Hershey's Kisses at the bottom. So just made it spend a ton of money. But the kids will be happy to get a little something for Valentine's Day. So just a really simple little treat for my kids. And put that on like that. So super easy, super cute. I just wrote her name up here. I thought about like stamping it. I thought about using dyes. I was like, they're just going to eat the candy and throw the bag away. So I wanted it to look cute. So I just put their names on the top. So one's for Tyler and one is for Lily. And so it's just cute little presentation, easy way to give a little gift and then, customize some of these products that we already have in our stash. And so this literally, just because I already had this colored, but you could use a die cut, probably was 10 minutes, 15 minutes to make. So really quick and easy, fun way to package up some treats. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy with Creating the Heart.